and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna give you guys a heads up. I have a brand new camera. I got it for Christmas. My screen used to be like over here and now it's up here, so I'm still learning it. If it's kind of blurry, I'm still learning it. So you know, I did one video and somebody's like, I'm having a hard time seeing you. I'm like, I did apologize. So you guys, it takes me a while to get something completely different than what I'm used to. My cat is right here, so you'll see her because she just has to be in the video all of a sudden. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now Walgreens is kind of a slow week this week. Not a lot of great deals, but there is a lot of 50% off stuff. Some of the toys is 50% off, some of the beauty products is 50% off, and then all the Christmas stuff. So I wanted to get a couple things, and I know they were not going to be there the next time I go, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and do that. And I feel like I'm so out of focus, but I did get some ideas. You guys can see my cat right here. She's like, hi everybody, how are you today? I just want to drive my owner nuts. Yeah, so I did get some good deals today. I ended up getting the Olay. Now it's the Olay body wash or the bars of soap. Now they don't say you get a register reward, they just say they're 2 for $12. And I really love the bars of soap. This is my ultimate favorite bars of soap. I've been using this for years. This is one thing that I put in my bathroom and I never have it go away. So this is my favorite. I love the strawberry mint, and you get 6 of them here. So these were 2 for $12, and I'm probably going to go ahead and do this deal again, just because this is an okay price to stock up. Olay you can never get like dirt cheap, but you do get them at a reasonable price. So again, these are 2 for $12, including the body wash. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons that we just got in today's P&G. You guys would pay $10 for both of these, and I did get 2 of them. Sorry, with my cat being on my chair, I don't have a lot of room, but I did get 2 of these. So you guys would get a $5 register reward. Now I did everything on one transaction, okay you guys? But you guys would get a $5 register reward right here. It's not focusing, but a $5 register reward for buying 2 of them. These come out to be just $5 for the both of these, or $2.50. I'm going to say that's a good deal, not the greatest deal, but it's a good deal. If you guys are brand loyal like I am with bars of soap, I think this is a pretty good deal. I very seldomly can ever get Olay like really, you know, under $3. There are times that it does happen, but I was super excited for this deal. So that is my ultimate favorite soap. So, okay, the next deal I did was the, and I did get a lot of clearance stuff, you guys. The next deal I did was the special case cereal. Now this was 2 for $4. You guys would buy both of them, and there is a $1 off digital coupon for a $1 off of 2. So you guys can do that. You'd pay $3 for 2 boxes. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Also submit your receipt to Kellogg's Family Rewards. You guys, if you guys haven't joined that, definitely join it. You just go to Kellogg's Family Rewards. I have done multiple videos on how we get free things from that website alone. I've gotten free movies, I've gotten free books, free glassware, and then you guys can also print off good coupons if you guys want to do it on that. But definitely go ahead and do that for $1.50 a box. That's an okay deal. So there are some deals that are going on, and I was going to do them, and I'm like, you know what? I need to stop buying stuff for a video. I mean, a lot of you guys, you know, I buy all this stuff myself just to share with you guys, and which is fine, and I'm totally fine with doing it, but I have way too much. So what I ended up doing, and I don't think I have any at my area right now, are the Nice brand garbage bags and baggies. Those are $2.79. It's right now, buy 1, you get 2 free. So you would get 3 of them for $2.79 if you guys go ahead and do that. Great deal if you guys want to do that. I also was gonna do the Dixie plates, but I have so much Dixie plates, and I'm like, okay. And I did insert, you guys see all that I have the pictures already for you guys. I did insert pictures, but I just have so much and I need to like have it die down. So the Dixie plates are $3.99. They were buy one, get one free. There is a digital coupon for $1 off of 2. Now you guys are like, you can't use a coupon for a free item. When the item is buy one, get one free, for anything in the store, and you guys have like, you know, $1 off of 2, you guys can use that specific coupon on a free item. I've seen people saying you can't do it. It says it in the ad. Buy one, get one free, plus a digital online coupon for $1 off of 2. So if you guys ever have problems, or, you know, you can do that. I think I've seen like on Crazy Coupon Lady, they always have it where you have to buy 4 and use that coupon. No. The system even lets you do it. It even came off on my receipt. Well, in the past it's came off on my receipt. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. But there's also a deal in Save & Star if you guys haven't done it. I already did it. If there was a deal in Save & Star, I would have done it again. But there is $1 off of 2 Save & Star. So without Save & Star, you get both plates or bowls or cups for, sorry, I just realized my cat's deaf because she loves the word cups. But you guys will get them for $2.99. So it comes out to be $1.50 a pack. So it's an okay deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I ended up also wanting to share with you guys is the Charmin and Bounty toilet paper deal. Now, I have so much paper products. If you guys want to see how much paper products, you want to know how much I really have, I am going to be doing a cleaning the basement video. I'm debating on when I'm going to post it. I'm debating if I should post it once a month, if I should post it once a quarter, or only at the end of the year. But I am going to transformation my whole entire basement. So I'm still debating on when I should do it. I might do a monthly video just so you guys can see the progress so I don't bore everybody. But yeah, it's bad. So definitely check out my paper products when I show you guys that, because it is bad. But yeah, so they are $4.99 a piece. We got $1 off coupons. You guys can either buy 2 or 1, or there's digital coupons if you guys want to buy all 3 the same. But it's the Charmin toilet paper or the Bounty paper towels. So you guys want to use 3 $1 off coupons. You would pay $11.97. But then you guys will get a $3 register reward. So you would get a $3 register reward of these. It comes out to be just $8.97 or just $2.99 a piece. And I say $3 for paper products is probably the best deal. I mean, anytime you can get it cheaper than that, you definitely want to go ahead and do that. But if it's $3.99 for a 6-pack or $2.99 for a 6-pack, I think that's a pretty okay deal. So definitely go ahead and do those. And then I think that is, oh, I did the Crest deal. There's a couple more things that I went couponing for. So I couldn't figure out what mouthwash was on sale, so I just ended up just doing 2, sorry, my cat's like next to me, I got cat hair on my face. So I just did this. So these were $2.99. I used 3 $1 off coupons, and you guys can mix and match. You can buy 3 toothbrushes, but you have to use a digital coupon for one of them, or you guys can, you know, mix and match, whatever you guys want to do. But you would pay $5.97 for all 3 of these, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward, making it just 97 cents or 33 cents a piece. Now, toothpaste you should never pay for, but you know, there's times where we've made up for it, so you guys, this is okay. So 33 cents for all these. I think 33 cents for toothbrushes is a great deal, and I think 33 cents for mouthwash is a great deal. So I'm going to definitely try to do a second haul for you guys, just because, you know, I want to do the toothpaste deal and see if I can find anything else for you guys. you guys just need like a little snack that's a good deal, these are $1.99. I got the honey barbecue trail mix, so I thought this would be something for Graham just to snack on, but $1.99 is a great price for those. And then I got the Lysol wipes. Now, I wish I looked at this before I left the store, but these were marked, and I'm going to say something. These were marked buy one get one free. Okay, got them. There was even a $1 off digital coupon. So these are marked. Where are these? These are marked. Did I not write this down? Yeah, I did. $3.99. Okay, $3.99. You use that $1 off digital coupon, making it $2.99, making these like $1.50. Okay, deal. But I looked at my receipt and I didn't get the buy one get one 50 or buy one get one free. So I'm gonna complain next week when I go to the store. I'll just show them the picture that I had, and then I'll also show them my receipt, and they'll help me out. Or I might contact the Walgreens, you know, help center, but not a big deal, you know. So it's like, it's only like, you know, $3.99 difference, so not a big deal, but wanted to share with you guys on that. Now let me know if you guys done that deal, and if you do, check your receipts. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys all this clearance stuff I got. Now I'm really trying to cut back on clearance. Okay, you guys know me, I have a shopping problem. I love it. I love to show you guys as many deals as I can. I think sometime I'm just gonna do like show you guys what's in the store with my camera and just make a video with that. But I'm gonna share with you guys what I got, because I know these will not be there when I go back. First deal I saw were the Legos. Now if you guys have these, definitely go ahead and do it. Now there is Legos in the regular toy aisle, but these were like all about the clearance stuff. Now I remember they had like a little hut or a little cardboard holder with Legos in it. So great deal if you guys can do this. So these were originally $10, okay, 10 bucks. I'm like, that's an okay deal. I think these are the same prices if you guys went to the store, but these were 50% off. So these were $4.99, and I'm like, for $4.99, I think that is a great deal. There is, sorry, my kids are screaming upstairs. There's 123 pieces in here, okay? So I ended up grabbing all the Legos that they had, because Ben's into Legos right now. So I ended up getting 2 of the regular ones. So he'll get these. He might get them like for Easter or something. But then they had this Lego City. Now these again were 50% off. So these were $4.99 a piece. I ended up getting 3 of these because I thought this would be great for us to keep one. And then now with Ben in school, we're going to be obviously invited to people's birthday parties. And, you know, boys love Legos. And this is a great gift to have. So this is one thing that I really wanted to get. Well, I didn't know this, but they were buy 4, you get 1 free. So you guys, if you guys can snatch any of these Legos, go ahead and do it, because this is a great deal for the Legos. So you guys would end up paying $19.96 for 5 packs of Legos, okay? So it's buy 4, get 1 free. So $19.96, that comes out to be just $3.99 a box. That is a great, great deal, you guys. I think it's a great deal, especially Legos. So I'm super excited that I got those. And like I said, I know those will not be there when I go back. She's like, yeah, they've been flying off the shelf. So I'm like, I'm definitely going to get those, because now I got gifts for, I just like to have gifts and you know, ahead of time. And I'm going to go through that too, along with my whole year-long basement video, because it has gotten bad. I got this ornament. Ben is obsessed with Aladdin. He just loves the movie Aladdin, the cartoon, you know, the 92 version of Aladdin. But I saw the genie and I just had to get it for him. So this was originally $8.99 and I got it for $4.49. I thought I'm going to get this for him because he just loves the genie. So I got that, and this is the only one I have. So like I said, it probably wouldn't be there when I went back. So that is why I got it. Miss Charlotte was shopping with me today, you guys, and she finally sat in the cart all by herself. Usually I have her in the car seat, but she sat in the store all by herself, and she was all happy. But I I ended up finding this, there's a little tag I gotta cut off, but I found this, all their Squishmallows, or Squishmallows, whatever, are 50% off. So those big ones we got, you know, a long time ago, those are 10 bucks a piece. And then they have a medium size one, and then they have this one, and then they have tiny ones. But I really like this one. This one was the only one that they had. It wasn't even priced, and I'm like, I'll just see how much it costs. This was originally $6.99, so you guys would get this for $3.49, and she just loved it when I showed it to her. She had a huge smile on her face, just so excited, and she just, like, you know, cuddled up against it like crazy. So I thought, I'm gonna do a mermaid themed birthday for her first birthday. So, and I love mermaids, so I thought this was super cute, and I was excited to get that. Maybe if they go down again, if there's more of the big Squishmallows, I might get her one of those. But then I ended up getting the Soap and Glory. Now, they had that big box for $20, and I was going to get that. But then I saw these. I did have a $2 off coupon that she gave me like a couple weeks ago, but the coupon didn't work, and they just entered it in. It was supposed to take $2 off any of this Soap and Glory, I think. Is what it worked for people last time, but it didn't work, so she just entered $2 in, but not a big deal. So I like it. If you guys don't know, if you guys, I get an employee discount. My husband works for the company, but Soap and Glory is actually a Walgreens brand, if you guys did not know that. But you get 25% off this product instead of the regular 15% discount. So if you guys are employees, and I know a lot of you guys are employees, definitely go ahead and do this. But this was $15, and it was 50% off, so this was $7.50 for that. But you get a bath bomb, a body moisture, you get some shower gel, and then you get a body butter. And this is basically just the smaller versions of what was in that big box. So I thought, I'm gonna get that and use that because Gina said, like, this product is awesome, and I've been wanting to actually try these. I ended up getting this little thing. Now, this was $7, so this was $3.50. It is a hand cream, and then there's something for your heels, for your feet, and my feet are so dry right now, it's ridiculous. So I ended up getting that. And then I also got this little Holiday Heroes. Now, this was $18, so I got this for $9. So I thought this is good. This has, again, the shower gel on it, another hand cream, a righteous butter, a facial wash, dry shampoo, and then a puffy eye thing. So I thought that is super cute. So this is products for me to try because Gina says they're really good, so I just wanted to give it a try. Sorry, you guys, I just want to explain everything to you to make it easier. But my total came to $59.23. I was not expecting to pay that much, but I did have enough in points, so I'm like, I'm gonna do $50 in points, and then I, you know, paid with a gift card. But $59.23, I did receive $10 back in a registry reward. Now, there is that thing where you guys scan to get a $5 registry reward. I don't know, I never had them scan it, but this printed out, it's a you know, spend 20, you get 5,000 points. So this is good if you guys are buying clearance stuff. If you guys can try to get more of these, definitely go ahead and do that because that's a great thing for clearance. If you guys don't plan on paying with points. I'm like totally blurry. My background's taking more effect. But yeah, so I got 20 items for basically $49.23. Not the greatest deal, but you know, I still wanted to share with you guys some things. I hope you guys have a great day. I will probably be doing a second haul for you guys on New Year's Eve because, yeah, why not? I'm gonna try to do find out more 50% off, especially those Legos. It's a great deal. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.